Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy freehand nail design. So I'm going to use a beige, a peach, and a pink polish by Wet n Wild. I got these for Christmas and I thought they'll be perfect for a nail design. So I first painted my nails with the beige polish. Then using the peach, I'm going to kind of do a wavy line and fill it in. I just thought this color combo would really be nice with each other. Don't mind my voice, I kind of lost it, so I'm trying my best to get through this tutorial. Then using the pink, I'm going to do a semicircle on the very tip of my nails. Um, like I said, you can use any color combos you want. I just thought a neutral color combo would be really nice for this design. Then using a thin nail brush, I'm going to draw some lines to outline the design. And I thought the lines, or more like the white, just brought the whole look together. It gave it like a chic, classy look, and that's what I loved about it. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy, simple design. I hope I made it easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Phone My Nails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.